The Veemo SE is an innovative semi-enclosed electric vehicle designed to make urban commuting more practical, comfortable, and environmentally friendly in all weather conditions. Built with a futuristic reverse trike configuration, it combines the efficiency of an electric bicycle with the protection and convenience of a compact car. Powered by a 750-watt geared rear hub motor producing 80 Nm of torque, the Trike can reach a top speed of 20 miles per hour in North America while delivering smooth and reliable performance for city travel. Its battery system offers a range of approximately 43 miles on a single charge, with the option of dual battery packs extending the range up to 125 miles, making it suitable for both daily commuting and longer trips. One of its most distinctive features is the E-Pod canopy, which includes a rigid roof, windshield, and power wipers to shield riders from rain, snow, wind, and harsh sunlight, allowing year-round usability. Comfort and safety are enhanced through hydraulic disc brakes and independent suspension, providing stable handling and a smoother ride on urban roads. The Trike also includes several modern features such as dual LED headlamps, turn signals, side mirrors, a protective roll bar, Bluetooth connectivity, and a color LCD display for rider information and entertainment. Practicality is further improved with adjustable seating and a 60-liter cargo compartment for carrying groceries, bags, or work equipment. Priced at $6,999, the Veemo SE Reverse Electric Trike presents itself as a smart alternative to conventional cars and motorcycles by offering a compact, energy-efficient, and weather-protected transportation solution tailored for modern urban mobility.